Cambodia, Susadai. It's actually afternoon, but that's okay. So this is Cambodian cooking, not restaurant style, not city style, but out on the farm style. And she's grated a bunch of coconut, which are absolutely abundant here. And then she squeezes, making her own fresh coconut milk. That's got to be better than what you buy in the store, like what we used for cooking. Remember we bought in the square drinking box. Tastes very creamy and full of fat, but I bet this will have a different flavor. He just mixes it around, gets a handful, and squeeze. I hate to show the conditions too much, but there's somebody hoping they'll get something here. So what else? Oh, you didn't say what we're making. What are we making? What are we making?
Yeah, making massaman.
Making massaman. Curry massaman. Yeah, you're wrecking my video. And so there's there's the chicken, potato, carrots, onions. Got coconut milk. I think we're on our way. And if you haven't had, got it here somewhere. If you haven't had massaman curry with chicken, it's pretty good. Unless you don't like coconut milk and you don't like curry. That's probably one of my favorite dishes. If they put enough potato, right? Yeah, don't get that on my plastic. Don't get that. Yeah, and so what are you doing? Well, things are different on the farm here. Either adjust or leave. Right? Until next time, that was a brief Cambodian cooking class. But soon she will be actually cooking, and that involves this sort of machine here. Oh, no, you're cooking on the fire, right? Oh, I'm sorry. So that's for to cook massaman. So it's going to be cooked on open fire. Oh, I get it. Folks, you call this a dirty kitchen. That means there might be smoke, ashes, dust, and anything else that falls on the ground. And she is really quick cooking. She's done professional restaurant cooking before, and she can whip something up very fast. Where's the gasoline? Give me a straw and I'll get you some gasoline, and it will burn. Because I just put gas in the bike. Until next time, like and subscribe. Getting hot.